So a new episode of Death Battle series. It's the Battle of the Scream Queens. We got Sindel versus Black Canary. Now at first I was gonna pick Sindel, but then after really thinking about it, I think Black Canary is gonna win. So we'll find out. I'm just gonna react straight into the Death Battle. So let's take a look. Let's go. I got Black Canary.
Talk about Scooby-Doo meets Fight Club.
You're not from this farm, Sir Thriller. Behold your queen!
Huh.
I shall strip the flesh from your bones.
That hair though. Ooh. Damn. Oh shit.
Are you hurt, child? Let me sing you a lullaby.
Oh boy.
No kidding. I almost fell asleep.
Okay, let's see. Who's the stronger? Damn.
So are ringouts a thing here?
Insufferable creature, we fight to the death! Such a pretty bird with such an ugly sound. Tell me, can you fly?
Ooh. I knew she was gonna do that. Ooh. Huh. Man. Yep. I had a feeling she was gonna win this. So yeah, it's pretty much what I thought it would be. Just based on like the pre-stats, like I originally picked Sindel, but then like actually looking at the pre-stats, it was clear Black Canary was going to win. But yeah, not disappointed with either choice. But yeah, it's a great death battle. Cannot wait to see the next one. But anyway, guys, leave your comments below, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Sean Matthew _. Take care.